Hello students. See, we are discussing class 12th related our topic determinants of mathematics, and we are doing NCERT exercise 4.3 question number 3. Find the value of k for which the area of triangle is 4 square units where vertices are as follows. Means triangle के vertices आपको यहाँ पर दे रखे हैं k0, 40 और 02. तो एक जो vertex A है इसके vertices हैं A के वर्टेक्स हैं K0, B के 40 और C के 02. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हमको 4 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स दे रखा है, तो हमने एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का फॉर्मूला यूज किया हाफ, और फिर डिटर्मिनेंट में x1 y1 1 मींस जो फर्स्ट वर्टेक्स है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, सेकंड वाले के यहाँ और थर्ड वाले के यहाँ. तो वो हमने लिखे K0 फिर 40 एंड देन 02 एंड दिस 2 इज शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम LHS टू RHS. तो जब 2 शिफ्ट किया तो ये यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चला गया 4 into 2. नाउ आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस डिटर्मिनेंट हियर इट विल बिकम k. So this row and this column will be eliminated. 0 into 1 is 0 and 2 into 1 is 2. So 0 minus 2. Now minus 0 means this row and this column will be eliminated. So it is 4 into 1 is 4 minus 0 into 1 is 0. So 0 into something, that complete will become 0 here, and minus 2 into k will be minus 2k. Now see this part, it is plus 1 means this and then this. So plus 1 means this column and this row will be eliminated. So 4 into 2 that is 8 minus 0 into 0 means 0. So 8 minus 0. So what it will become? Minus 2k minus 0 and now plus 1 8 are 8 is equal to 8. Now this 8 is shifted from LHS to RHS. So it will become negative 8. So 8 minus 8 that will be minus 2k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 upon minus 2 means k is equal to 0. It is the value of k which is required here. That is our aim. ये k की वैल्यू निकालना ही हमारा उद्देश्य था. Now in second part the vertices of the triangle are minus 2 0 0 4 and 0 k. So vertex A के coordinates minus 2 0 है, B के coordinates 0 4 हैं और C के coordinates 0 k हैं. वापस हमने x1 y1 x2 y2 और x3 y3 की जगह पर minus 2 0 0 4 और 0 k पुट किया, और फिर हमने यहाँ से LHS से RHS में इस 2 को शिफ्ट किया तो 4 into 2 हो गया. Now this determinant will be solved. Minus 2 into 4 into 1 is 4 minus k into 1 is k. So 4 minus k and then minus 0. 0 into something will be 0 only. That's why it is not solved this by eliminating this row and this column. Now after that plus 1 will be there and then this row and this column will be eliminated. 0 into k is 0 minus 0 into 4 is also 0. So it is complete 0 into 1. So it will also be 0. This will also be 0. And minus 2 is multiplied here. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Minus into minus will become plus. And 2 into k is 2k. Is equal to 8 there. Because 4 2 is 8. So now this negative 8 is shifted from LHS to RHS. Then it will become positive 8. So 2k is equal to 8 plus 8. Now 2k is equal to 16 and k is equal to 16 upon 2. That will be equal to 8. So value of k is 8 here. So up to question number 3rd, second part we have done. See, now question 4th. First question. Find equation of line formed by joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. So here, let me tell you one thing. Suppose this is a line and we are having 3 points A, B, C. And suppose we are taking this point X, Y and this point 1, 2 and this point 3, 6. So what it will become? Area of triangle will become 0 here because it is a line. Because it is a line. So what we are doing here? We are putting area of triangle is equal to 0 here as it is a line. So we have to apply again formula half x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1 again is equal to 0. Now this 2 is multiplied in RHS, so it will become 0 into 2. And here we have to put Now see, it is x, y, 1, 1, 2, 1, and now 3, 6, 1. So 0 into 2 is 0. So this will become 0. And now here it is x into 2 minus 6 minus y into, this we will write later, minus y into this row and this column will be eliminated. 1 ones are 1 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1 into this row and this column will be eliminated. 6 minus 6, it will become 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, because 0 into 2 is 0. Now minus 4x, as it is 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 4 into x is minus 4x, minus 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 into minus y is plus 2y, plus 0 is equal to 0. Now you can take minus sign common from here, you can take minus 2 common from here, so it will become 2x minus y is equal to 0, or 2x minus y is equal to 0 upon minus 2, that will also be equal to 0 only, because this minus 2 will become the denominator. So this is the equation of line. We may write here answer now. Now see, question number second of this fourth, it is also like that only. If we are considering A as xy, coordinates of A as xy, coordinates of B given there 3, 1, coordinates of C, it is 9, 3. Now we may write here area of triangle is equal to 0, because it is a line. You may write it is a line. So line is having area of triangle 0, because triangle is not formed there, it is a line. So area of triangle will be equal to 0. So that's why we may write half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and x3 y3 1 is equal to 0. Now this 2 is multiplied by that 0, so it will be 0 into 2. And now values of x1 y1, that is x y1 x y1. Now 3 1 1, 3 1 1, and lastly 9 3 1. Now x into 1 1 are 1 minus 3 1 are 3, 1 minus 3 minus y into, means this row and this column will be eliminated, 3 minus 9, and plus 1 into this row and this column will be eliminated, 3 3 is 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0 here, because 0 into 2 is 0. So it will be minus 2x, minus into minus plus, 9 minus 3 is 6, minus 2x plus 6y plus 0, because 9 minus 9 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. So it will be equal to 0 again. Now minus 2 can be taken common, so it will become x minus 3y is equal to 0, or we can say x minus 3y is equal to 0 only, because that minus 2 is shifted in RHS, so it will become 0 upon minus 2, that will be equal to 0 only. So it is x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the final answer for question number 4th, second part. It is over.